with a bold Honda badge, flat saddle, flared rear mudguard and a dash of chrome. However, the Highness gets modern elements such as all LED lighting, alloy wheels and a semi-digital instrument console. The instrument console is loaded with features such as gear position indicator, real-time fuel efficiency, overall mileage and more. You also get a toggle switch to browse through the various modes. The DLX Pro variant features a unique voice-controlled smartphone connectivity system for navigation, music and call alerts. Powering the bike is an all-new long-stroke 348cc single-cylinder motor that is rated at 21 PS and 30 Nm. These figures aren't that great, but Honda has emphasized that peak torque is made available at just 3000 RPM, so it should have a strong low and mid-range performance. It has also added a counterbalancer to keep engine refinements at Honda level, something the classic 350 struggles with. We would have also preferred a 6-speed gearbox, but the bike does feature a slipper clutch. Apart from refinement, Honda has also focused a lot on the exhaust note. It has achieved the thumpy note by employing a long muffler, and we must admit the exhaust note is great by BS6 standards. The Highness is also the only bike in the segment to feature a torque control system that avoids the rear wheel from sliding under hard acceleration. The Highness CB350 employs a half-duplex frame which is suspended on a telescopic fork and a twin-shock absorber at the back. Honda claims that the chassis has been designed for easy handling and even the weight of the bike is low at 181 kg. Disc brake handle braking duties on both ends and dual-channel ABS is standard on both the variants. While the spoke wheels would have added to the retro element, alloy wheels add practicality with tubeless tires. Honda has also been generous with a 15-litre fuel tank, which means fewer stops while touring. The Highness CB350 will be available in two variants, and the major difference between the two is the inclusion of smartphone connectivity and dual-tone color options on the Pro variant. Honda hasn't shared the price of the new Roadster. However, it has hinted that the base variant could be priced around 1,90,000 rupees ex-showroom. The bikes will be sold exclusively at Honda Big Wing dealerships and bookings have started online. So what's your take on the new Highness? Do you think it can disrupt the RE Classic 350's domination? Voice your opinions in the comments and thank you for watching.